Hello, people. So, you know what? As of yesterday, I want to learn Japanese. Yeah. So I kind of there is this like I said, there is this group called Happy Science that is the founder is this gentleman named Master Ryoho Okawa. So I mean, the Happy Science Foundation has like it's released. I don't know how many movies. So yesterday I sat and saw three Japanese films literally back to back because like on my phone itself. No, because no, honestly, I did it like an assignment because for me, I want to learn Japanese, and in one day itself, my Japanese vocabulary has jumped. Like now, I can, like. I can just interject my language with few Japanese words like arigato, which means thank you. So thank you for watching this video. But really, so as of yesterday, there is this movie called. It's been released by the Happy Science Foundation, and it's called The Real Exorcist. It's the Happy Science Foundation is all about the fact that. I like watching some of these crime mysteries and all that is on Discovery app. That's another app altogether. So it is the Japanese this particular the Happy Science group. They teach us the fact that certain crimes and all that get committed. It's almost because of certain entity possession. And oh my god, first time when I came across this thing, I was like scared. I was like, oh my god, what is this? But it is true. These things really happen. So really, the Real Exorcist, if you type it on YouTube, you will be able to at least see clips, which you all should do. And this is already a 2-minute video. I don't know what is wrong with me, but that's what, considering I didn't do any recording yesterday, I'm feeling all full fresh right now. So I felt like I should do this recording. So do check out the Real Exorcist. Um, I mean, you'll at least find clippings, but I don't know whether you will get to see the entire movie because it is. Uh, let me know in case you all are interested. Just message in the comments below. But do try and Google The Real Exorcist on YouTube. The clips itself are so intriguing to watch. So on that note, before this becomes a 3-minute video, I think I'll shut up. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.